Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Nomi. He was curious, eager to learn, and loved spending time with his teacher, a wise old tortoise who lived near the pond in the woods. Every day after school, Nomi would sit with the tortoise under a large tree, listening to his stories full of wisdom. One sunny afternoon, the tortoise told Nomi a story about teamwork. Teamwork is when people work together to help each other, like the ants who carry food together, or the birds who fly in formation to protect one another. A job done together becomes lighter and happier. When everyone shares the load, no one feels alone. A team doesn't just finish a task, they grow closer in heart. That evening, Nomi returned home and excitedly told his mother what he had learned. "Ma, today my teacher told me about teamwork. He said that when we help each other, life becomes easier and warmer." His mother smiled gently, but as she turned away to wash the dishes, Nomi noticed something. A silent tear slid down her cheek. She quickly wiped it and went back to her chores. But Nomi saw it, and it stirred something deep inside him. He didn't know why she cried, and though he wanted to ask, he remained silent. The next day he rushed to the pond. Sitting beside the tortoise, he whispered, "Master, I saw my mother cry when I spoke about teamwork. I think I now understand why." The tortoise nodded, waiting patiently. "My mother does everything in the house alone. She wakes up early, cooks food, sweeps the floor, washes clothes, helps me with school, and even fixes things when they're broken. No one helps her, not even me." Nomi, your heart has understood the true meaning of teamwork, not just in words, but in life. That night, Nomi couldn't sleep. The image of his mother's tired eyes and that single tear haunted him. As the first light of dawn broke, Nomi quietly walked to his mother. She was already in the kitchen preparing breakfast. "Ma, I'm sorry. I should have helped you long ago. Please forgive me." His mother turned, surprised. Nomi hugged her tightly. "From today, I will help you. After school, after play, every day, I promise." From that day on, Nomi helped with the dishes, folded laundry, swept the floor, and even learned to cook simple meals. The house felt warmer, lighter, not just because the work was shared, but because love and teamwork filled the home. And deep in the woods, the wise old tortoise smiled, knowing his lesson had reached a heart and changed a life. Moral teamwork isn't just about finishing tasks. It's about caring, sharing burdens, and standing by the people we love.
Now I work with the mom. Then why didn't you like and subscribe me? Now is the time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Tear. Tear. Teamwork. Teamwork.